Samsung has quietly released one of its biggest updates yet, and most Galaxy users don't even know these features exist. Today, I'm going to show you 3 brand new Samsung features that can save you time, make your phone smarter, and completely change how you use your Galaxy device. Make sure you stay until the end because the third feature is easily the most impressive one. If you own a Samsung Galaxy phone, you don't want to miss these new Samsung features. To check for the update on your Samsung phone, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Software Update. Tap Check for updates. You can see New System Update is available and update size 937.65 megabytes. Security Patch Level June month. Download and install this latest Samsung update and let's see you get 3 powerful new features and how it works. Let's see the 3 new Galaxy AI features for all Galaxy users. Go to Galaxy AI and tap the notification highlights to get important notification quickly by prioritizing and summarizing notifications. 2 new AI features available here. 1. Prioritize notifications. Show important notifications first to make sure you don't miss them. Toggle it on. 2. Summarize notifications. Show a short summary of conversational notifications. 3. My Files app update. Get amazing AI features called Show File Summaries. Make sure your Samsung My Files app update with the latest version. Long press on the My Files app and tap eye icon. Scroll down at the end and check the version is 15.4.08.06. Go back and tap My Files app. Tap 3 vertical dot in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Here you can see new Galaxy AI feature called Show File Summaries in the Advanced section. Toggle it on. This feature helpful to get short, AI-powered summaries of PDF and TXT files. To check how it works, open the My Files app. Tap Docs in the top right corner. Tap on PDF or TXT tab in the top. You can see the summary of any page. It's not currently working to my Samsung S25 Ultra. If it's working on your Samsung S25 series, please tell us in the comment section. That's all. Thanks for watching.